day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride.
Welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, I have now here on the table, I can say, legendary East German tweeters, RFT LP554, 60 years old, and for their age they look like new ones. These tweeters were usually mounted in the huge stereo vacuum tube radios, and I must say I love the sound of such a tweeters with paper cone. So it's ready for testing. I have here capacitors, so let's try them. The first one, the second one, I love such a old speakers, and as it is usual, they are for sale, and you can find them later on my website Angelicaaudio CZ on the page tweeters. And I have also legendary full range speakers from 60s, RFT 2659 PBO. So if I don't forget, I put here active link. So watch also this full range speakers. It's possible to connect them together in do-it-yourself boxes, and the sound will be. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel. And if you like my videos, you can also join my channel. So have a nice day.